This is a food truck for Phoenix, my friend. Ready? This is the hood. We are waiting for the exhaust fans to come, so we will have two exhausts over here. We have a 4 burner with the oven. Uh, we have two 40-pound propane tank. One of those big ones that you wanted, the pot. This is a dosa table. This 3-compartment sink is here. One fridge is here. This is the serving window. There's another fridge is here. The top ceiling is stainless steel. I'm still working on this project. This video I just made because you wanted to see the video. This floor is diamond flooring.